biko ụmụnne m ekenekwa m unu nke onye chiri ya zelu. O nwere nwanne anyị nwoke okwu ya bịara n'ụlọ ọrụ anyị ihe almost 2 weeks now. But anyị emela investigation and they involved. We have also talked to them. But we feel it is important ka hapụ ewu na ọwụ ihe akọga ka the main person nọ at the middle of the whole thing ka anyị nugodi akụkọ ya. Nwanne anyị nwoke a onye nwaanyị ya hapụrụ gbakwuru nwoke ọzọ, so ọ chọrọ ka ọ gwa ụwa lekwelekwe ihe ọ gabiga ka hapụ iwe echi atawa ya ụta. Nna m ndewe nọ na aha gị ogene?
Aha m Nna Emmanuel Anozie.
Ọ dị mma. Iwe onye ebe?
Amonye Abia State, Umuahia.
Ọ dị mma. Ngwa gaa n'ihu kọwara anyị kpọmkwem ihe na-agabiga na alụmalụ gị.
Okay. Since 2022 ka baba suspect one na marriage no since 2018. There's a rubber problem after muchara ụmụ abụọ. So my baba chọpụta na nwaanyị m na-cheat with one rich man from our place. So my baba chọpụta ma kpọwa the man na phone, say, please, I know you are a very rich man and a big man, but I sense that apart from that, there is something that got on between you and my wife. Those things, each of you may, I want you to stop it. Let's just be managing. Kaya hapo ge wana edemenyo anyo zora. So the man a threat no one that he has money, that he's a big man, that he has money, and to do anything all over feel to do if at all my wife will problem that he will get it.
Kedu obodo ihe a na-eme kpọmkwem?
Ọ na-eme na Awaka, Umodu, Awaka, Owerri North. So to my greatest surprise is after Mbaba chopped that fully na hana my wife ibidola nwewa mmekọrịta. My wife had a small problem that night. So the next morning, police have made my arrest from the man. So I'm na police custody. My wife did delay property in my house, even my machines in my house. Because I'm in industrial machine like 3 with 1 weaving machine. My wife aparacha those industrial machine. Then Manjipota from police. Ma the lady made my arrest. The lady asked me, no, they are aware. Now I have my wife will go ahead order see para those property. I say okay, no problem. So why actually me if for the head that case that moment was the man swear with his life that he's going to deal with me. And on a community and he's a prince. So I don't have any choice than to calm down, because in this life onye nwụrụ nke ya kanjo. So I have to calm down to find my ground first. So from there man anuzi na ụmụ abụọ mụrụ na the man emewa na ha na ome na ha adopt. So it's okay, no problem. I will not say anything.
That's Ochenjela.
Yes. It's okay, no problem. I won't say anything for now until I will leave this community. Then I can be able to say something. So immediately, as of 2024, Kampuru na that obodo. So from that 2024, I can be to fight for my right. So that my wife on her phone. Yes, there wasn't any right over those kids.
Why onye ebe?
Oh, onye emekuku, umakuru emekuku. Aya o Jem Vivian ebere ihe jeto.
Okay.
So the man ana support ya ka enwike memu nhojo by isi na ga ma ho ụmụ nda agbaliala m ike m nwere ike isi reach ụmụ nda ahụ, but ọ naghị adịra m ezi inweta ha.
Ka ọ kpọrọ ụmụaka ahụ pụọ ime ebe ọkpọ ha gaa.
Ama m ebe ọkpọ ha gaa. Nweta nọmba ya kpọọ ya na phone ya block ọnụ. And o nwere several numbers. So all living with that, all that also in dark, able mark and down. To my greatest surprise, anyway, one of my neighbor, one of those kids, how far have you heard from your daddy? Yes, no, that my daddy is in America. I'm from Awaka, Umod. That my name is Chimamanda Usuagu.
Are you home? Yes. Okay, what do you Chimamanda? Can you name?
They are answering my name. My surname is Anosi, but they are answering Chimamanda Nana. They are answering my own name.
Okay, but Keta
Usuagu. Yes. So the thing are Jazela to an extent now. I'm too confused. Fine. Currently now, the lady now in question, Chogijeje Lodi. I'm not even against Sianwa Eloladi or Walo dinner. But him smart man now, or woman called Gejije Iba.
So you want your children back.
Yes.
But you want your children back.
Yes.
Other man, the lady in question came. We invited her. Also invited the man, Ochoro earlier. Two of them came. So we were asking questions, you know. One of the things the lady kuru. Ojiriba hapo dia noa. Wona ona helete ha anya. Ona ha kwụgwọ school ụmụaka agụrụ na agụgbu ha and all the rest. So come chukwa this our brother here now. Wanye gị sị na ha helete ha anya. Agụrụ na-egbu ya. Agụrụ na-egbu ụmụaka ụgwọ school anaghị akwụ ya. How do you respond to that?
Okay, one I know na the word now the two open that na how all our ejoku the two common to know. Currently, name a government school and private school, and ụmụaka ndị ekwuga now ha bidoro from pre-nursery. From that their pre-nursery till their primary, ha ga private schools, and their private schools nukwa na Owerri North.
Okay.
So those school fees and everything, God bear me witness. I have been the one. It's not easy for me, but I have been the one paying those school fees. Then in terms of feeding, everybody knows that in this current Nigeria now that things are very, very hard. But God, I won't boast of eating 5 times in a day, but I will boast of eating 2 good times in a day. And I will boast of my children eating 3 times in a day. I even have their recent picture. I even had their old picture.
Chai.
Then more la happen. People now God. Parents they are trying. Even she herself, she's just saying all those things now just to blackmail me because of my problem. But witnesses to everywhere. From the school to the compound to the Ebo library. Everybody got Balamakibi.
And I call that woman when I kiss require maybe ya social choza